really fun and it's raining. And it's raining and we're gonna go on the trampoline. Let's go! Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh crap.
We live in Washington. Oh god. It's Reba! You know you don't call me by my full name, you call me Reba.
But wait, I want to do a backflip. I'm stumped jumping. I want our YouTubers to see me do a backflip.
Oh God.
Okay, Becca.
Jay, are you sure? Oh God. We live in Washington, so it's always raining.
Come on and jump with us.
Oh my God. Sorry about the bad video quality, it's raining. This is M's shoes. That's a What the heck? They weigh more than I do.
Oh my God.
Especially
Give
M.
me the camera. I'll take it. No. Wait. Okay. I'm going to do a backflip while I'm holding the camera. Everybody move. Everybody move. Here we go. Yes! We're in Washington, D.C. and it's so cold! Just kidding, we live in Pennsylvania. No, we don't. Yeah, we do. No, we don't. They can't stalk us, okay? Oh my God! It's so Wait, let's go on the rope swing!
Can I do a front flip?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Alright, stop moving.
Okay. Come on, Em.
Like I'm killer.
Oh yeah! I'm going to the rope swing!
What sweat, you crazy?
Rope swing! Ah! Rope swing! Oh my God! Oh, rope swing! Oh yeah!
What happened to the actual swing part?
I fell off when there was like a tornado.
There was no tornado.
Yes, there
Here,
was.
hold the camera.
Thanks. Here.
Okay. Can we take him on a tour?
Ow!
Jay, can we take him on a tour?
Wait! No! I'm so cold! Oh my God, I'm so cold!
Take the camera.
Okay. Becca! Whatever!
My
Reba.
turn. My turn.
Okay! Rope swing!
Okay, ready?
You go! Oh my God, I'm freaking... I got that on tape! Yes! Okay! Oh, let's go to the mud! The mud! The mud pits! Over here, everyone! Reba and M!
This better be going on YouTube.
It is! Oh my God, it's so funny! Ew, 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 ew! Ew! Ew!
So weird.
Ew!
We can go back
Ew!
to the trampoline after this.
Ew! Ew!
My butt feels wet.
Oh my God, my feet are so cold! I apologize for the horrible video quality, but we're running because our feet are freaking freezing. Okay. Oh my God, I'm going on the slide. Going to the slide. Yeah, just so you know, people, my butt is going to get extremely wet.
Okay, I'm up here, okay?
Got it.
Okay, here I go. There's a huge puddle at the end of the slide. Oh! Oh, sugar! Oh, sugar! It's so cold!
Sorry for the bad video quality. And Jay was just kidding. We don't live in Pennsylvania. So all you creepy stalkers, we live in Washington, D.C.
No, we live in Pennsylvania. We're not going to say where we live in Pennsylvania.
We live in Northeast Pennsylvania.
Whatever.
Nice, Emily. Nice.
It's M.
Right, Em.
That was so funny.
Oh my God, I'm going to do the Superman move.
It's like your backflip video.
Superman!
Jacob,
Like I said, we
that was like Bird Boy,
live
your
in
Bird Boy video.
We live in Glenside of Pennsylvania.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
We live in Northeast Pennsylvania.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Chickens.
Okay,
It's
let's
her
go
turn.
inside.
It's
Let's go
her turn
inside.
to slip.
Let's say hi to the chickens.
It's her turn to slip now.
Let's go say hi to the chickens and I'll say hi to Fluffy. Here, give me the camera.
Where's the one with where's the tiny one? Hi. Hi,
Here, give
Colonel.
me the camera. Hi guys!
Can we catch one?
No.
What?
They'll bite you. That's Colonel, the little one. We're going inside because I'm freaking freezing. Let's go.
Look at how beautiful it is.
It's hot. Okay, let's get the frick in here. Oh my God. Oh, hey, Lovey. That's my dog, Lovey. She's a puppy mill dog.
Hey.
She is, people. Okay.
Hi.
Alright.
I look like Oliver.
My butt
Alex,
feels
good
like
eye,
I'm
mate.
falling.
Wait,
Alright.
look. Just make sure to check out our channel.
Yeah.
Let's look.
No. We don't have to make them look at our channel. They can just look it up. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.